I took a metalsmithing class, and one of the assignments was to make a ring via the lost wax casting method. Traditionally, such a ring would be carved out of wax, but I decided to use AI and 3D printing to make my casting instead. I went to ChatGPT and I asked Chat to solve the problem of the ring design using the parameters we were given. Chat gave me multiple solutions, and then I asked for visual examples, and it gave me those. I asked for Chat to refine it, and ultimately I got this. I screenshot it and then imported it into a program called Meshy at meshy.ai. This is a program where you can import images and it will generate a design from those images. I uploaded the screenshot. I clicked generate, and then after some thinking, it offered up a design. And I did this several times, and I just used the free version. Here you see that Meshy can also generate text to 3D as well as image to 3D. When I click on my assets, I can see all the items it has generated for me. This was ultimately the ring I chose. And then clicking on the graphic, I chose download and downloaded it as an STL. Then I brought that STL into Mesh Mixer just to check it for 3D printability. Analysis and inspector showed that it was good to go, and I resin printed it. Here I'm using a wax pen to create sprues. Here we're mixing the investment.
Okay, good enough. All right, so now the timer starts at 10 minutes, okay? And then when you're done, I'll pull those out and you can see. So here we go. I'm gonna tilt this bowl, or you can find which way.
You have all of the investment that you need in there already?
Yeah, okay, a pound, what was it, a 3x3 was a pound and 2 little lines. So here we go, and you can see we're ready to go. So this is the hard bowl, right, with the water in it. This is the soft bowl, and you don't want to be like this. You'll be here all day. It'll start to set up. So I just kind of, have anyone ever mixed plaster? It's like kind of start pushing on it here just to get the powder down under. And if it's too thick, sometimes these ratios, this looks a little thick. I might add some extra water, like how you get me some. So I'm gonna just really hold this bowl so you can see. Yeah, this is.
And this is using the vacuum sealer to bring the investment to a boil, pour it into a flask. The resin print is inside it.
This one's been used and abused, and then that'll be that funnel.
Here we're pouring in silver pieces to melt, and using a torch to melt them.
You be over here to stir, and I'd be eating. Silver is really fast, so.
The centrifuge helps force the molten metal into the mold, removing the flask.
I grab it, and remember you want to choke up so it won't slip out, and I always carry everything horizontal.
So the metal is hardened by now.
Yeah, pretty much. So
Here, you guys
A
come watch the
quench.
fun.
But I can't see,
And
here.
quenching it.
So this is the first one that I did. This one's been sitting for a while, so
That is the ring when I removed all the investment. And after I filed away all the extra pieces and polished it, that's the final product. And there you have it.